indeed is very beautiful figurines, and not figurines actually, but cups, something that we can collect to bring back home. But oh, I just don't want to get tempted because I already have a full luggage going back home. I was not prepared to, I didn't even, I brought with me only one luggage, so no space, but they are actually lovely. I hope to get few of that when I come back to Bangkok airport. But anyway, my trip, because of that trip was because of Reway International. And Reway International is a business franchise, and everyone who is from legit legal age, like 18-year-old and above, no age limit, can join the business. All you have to do is to learn the business, attend the events, the trainings, and then if no one yet, okay, told you about the product